flood in the days of Noah. As the population of man increased, so did the wickedness of man manifest. In those days, giant Nephilim took the females of man as wives. The evil of man became unbearable to God, that he regretted ever creating man. He numbered their lifespan at 120 years. To execute justice and judgment on evil, God decided to rain flood on whole earth. Knowing that the righteous God would not punish the righteous, God spared Noah. He instructed Noah to build an ark, take his family, and also take a male and female gender of each living organism. Noah obeyed God. Rain fell on earth for 150 days, and everything except those in the ark perished. The dove would be the first organism to leave the ark after the flood stopped. Noah, his family, and other organisms would later leave the ark too. On leaving the ark, by God's wisdom, Noah built an altar and offered a sacrifice to God. God accepted the sacrifice, and